everyone, welcome back to Jamaica Drone Shots. Today we are back in Montego Bay. Today we are back at the construction site of the Pinnacle. We're back at the construction site of what will be Jamaica's tallest buildings. Today we're going to be focusing on progress being made on the commercial center. We're going to be looking at work being done on the first of 4 towers, the Swallowtail. We're also going to be looking at progress being made on the first of 3 leisure decks and what happened to be the largest of the 3. And we're going to show you what's going on with the foundation of the second tower, that's the Canary. So guess what? Stay tuned. Now, we're flying pretty close to the commercial center, and one thing that is very obvious is that work continues on the exterior of this building. Some sections have been plastered and other sections seem to be covered with chowelon. The thing though that is the most obvious about this building is that sections have received windows. Windows have been installed in sections of this building, and this is a massive development towards the readiness of this building for July 2025. That's a few months from now actually, when the commercial center or the commercial building will be available for the public to view. This is the first of 4 towers. This is the Swallowtail. This is the first of the 4 towers to rise above the ground. As you can see, construction is going on. You can see workers going up and down using that construction elevator. You can see workers at the top of this building. They're currently on the 11th floor working on the foundation for the 12th floor. It is amazing how fast this building is actually moving. Share in the comment section, what do you think about the pace at which construction is going on the Swallowtail Tower? This is one of the 3 leisure decks, and this actually will be the largest one because it will supply both the Swallowtail and Canary towers. The leisure decks will include pools, cabanas, bars, and play areas for kids. As you can see here, the foundation of this deck is still being worked on. We can see the slot apparently cut out for a pool. We can also see piping being done. Some of those might be water pipes, some of them definitely will be electrical pipes.
You got me overthinking here, where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me overthinking.
We're now looking at the area in which the second tower will be erected, and we can see that they're still in the process of driving piles. Now the building will be built on these piles. These piles, as previously stated in another video, these piles are driven as far as 180 feet deep in order to properly support a building that will be
Curiosity has got me wondering if this'll be alright. I want you in my life for more than a night. You got me overthinking here, where we could be. Needed some clarity.
Of course, it would be crazy for us to leave the construction site of the Pinnacle without showing you what residents of these towers will eventually experience. Let's go for a ride.
You got me overthinking here. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. Yeah. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. Okay. Yeah. Logically, it don't make sense to me. I don't see what you see from making me wait to call you my lady, making me contemplate, trying to calculate what your side state. Tell me why hesitate, why you keeping me.
This is the end of another aerial tour on Jamaica Drone Shots. This is the end of another update of the construction of Jamaica's tallest buildings. If you enjoyed, feel free to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe for more wonderful content. Take care.
More than just a night. You got me over.